Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your job?
Housemaid, ma'am.
Okay, what were your duties and responsibilities out there? What do you do?
All, ma'am, is writing, see the baby, ironing, wash, cooking Arabic.
Okay, so what is the nationality of your employer?
Arabic, ma'am.
Okay, they're local?
Yes, ma'am.
And how many members in the family that you're taking good care of?
My baby, my mom is three kids. The mother and sister and brother here in house, the same house.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and how old are the children?
The one is 7, 5, and 2 years old.
Okay, and what is the reason why you decided not to continue to work with them?
Because I want more salary, ma'am. It's not my such little, not enough to my family. I want search other job.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, since you're looking for a new employer, because of that reason, would you accept a salary from 1,500 and above as a starting?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you like to do most? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
All, ma'am, my favorite.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of food can you cook?
Arabic food, ma'am.
So, how do you know if the baby is sick?
Before I work in Qatar, only baby, ma'am. 6 years in Qatar, only I see baby. If I know the sick, and then if I see the fever, and I ask madam, and then if we can, she give medicine. The baby is too much cry, and then if you not eat, and here in head, if you hot or no.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
If I playing, talking, you eat like
Mm-hmm.
that. She playing, then slow at she give the food,
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what is your hobby?
all the play the ball, toys, and right
And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
more 2 years.
Okay. And do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
Yes, ma'am. Good all, ma'am.
I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.